Yeah, man, bless up everybody, man. See Queenie and daughter grave. It's another day, and she has sent some more love to her daughter. She go pay her visit and thing. But you don't know, Queenie I leak out on her fans, them where just forward in and I talk some things on her Instagram live. I say, yo, them disappointed and her fans should they will doing and thing. But you don't know, no, just that alone the people them disappointed. More while how you carry on. You know, mama? Yeah, man, them say too loud and vulgar more while you see. That's why the fans them forward and say certain things. But you don't know, the fans them have to just know them distant and kind of come out of the lady life a little bit. Yeah, man, they are distant to deal with our relationship and them things. You see it. But when you forward over there and say certain things, it break her down more. You see it. Yeah, man, and she as our fans, she look for uno give her the strength and thing, but most of the people are forward over there. I know our fans. I just some haters, you see. And she just there talk her life story from she a youth and come up and things. Certain things not to believe still, but you don't know who me to say that still. I don't know if I true she a talk or what still she a talk about her father days and her father. I bet she climb coconut tree as a 13-year-old girl, but I don't believe that still. You see, big up on yourself and check out that video.
Loving woman, that's why I'm so strong and powerful. This is a message from my dad. Right now, my picture back when I around 10, 8. My father there St. Thomas Button Bear. We use them teacher when I look a bit peel cane, tear the coconut, the jelly. Because if you get a jelly, you don't have the machine, you know. You have to get one big stone, beat it, and then when it gets hot, you take your teeth and tear it out, so. A long time I use my teeth, you know. If me, I'll make to look for someone that chat to me. Tell if me on a fight, my tearing out with my teeth, you know. Karen love me. Hi, Karen. Love you too, Karen. Yeah, man, them teeth are strong and powerful, but you know, age come pitney when you have pitney. Man, when I have my son, I vomit. And then so when you have baby in a labor and vomit, you see them eventually get weak. But me, I tell you, man, strong like a lion, be queenie. Them teeth are when I'm ready, man. Crazy, never lazy. So, I start off with the Bob Marley section, as I was saying. My dad, when we was young in St. Thomas, my father thief me from my auntie them, a seafood, come about a seafood St. Thomas. So I'm thief me come go one place there, Button Beer. That time I run 18 and time my father in the bus, you know, the man go to school. I'm not going to school, you know. Green Lizard. See me, I know Green Lizard, a pussy-clad superstar artist, me a wife. When I'm dead, not dash stress. I'm work hard. It's my name. Nobody can take it from me. You know matter what Queenie F fans them turn against me. Or no turn against yourself. Or no can't turn against. Because first to begin with, I'm telling you one and understanding a life, yeah. From me around it. When me have 5, me that's when me have 5, me they are Clarendon, you know. You hear that? 5. You don't know how me know some me have 5? The blackboard with them take, alright, number 5 on it. And the image me remember know that me big. And when me have 5, me don't know some me have 5. When them ask me how much, me have no time for answer to them some bad. When me got the little school, Sabbath day, the little long socks that you wear up here, so the little long pretty white socks that reach right, I said white, you wear to go church Saturday day. And that me why I wear go school. I'm at 5. So I take it out of the house, put it in my school bag, and when I reach a pass, I put on the long white socks. I take off the brown socks. You hear that? So from at 5, I can remember me, myself, I. Nobody can dictate to me. Nobody can share me. Nobody cannot calm me down. Nobody cannot advise me. Don't get me wrong. I appreciate support, and support is like healing the support. It's not to tear down the world. So when you don't understand, when you don't feel like you not support me, I mean feel like you not tear me down, I go attack you know. It doesn't mean to say I not appreciate you know. Because if you have your kid and you gonna reprimand your kid, it don't mean that. It don't mean you don't love your kid. You gonna reprimand it. But when you feel like so you know my life, so you can't dictate to me. No, you can't say to me because when I did have St. Thomas and I got through the when you asphalt, the asphalt I walk barefoot, and my ear back them crack up on my ear. God bless on my ear poem. You hear that? All of the car water wood, when you got wood, but some big wood you put by you have to use them for cook. You call them fire stick. We call it wood. So when you got wood bush, you have to have machete, cut down that wood, cut them down in a size, pack them up. Then when you pack them up, you tie them. And when you tie them, you put them on your head. You have to get one cut a tie, look at them. Them tie them, I must run, climb the coconut tree, the same father. When me do that like that right now. I miss my dad. But that man make me strong. As poor as we is, the man sure will love. And yes, when me reach around maybe 14, not reach them 14, I got around 13, I remember. I don't remember, maybe 12. And I said, Papa, I can't go in the tree, the coconut tree. Man said, go up in that block. You hear that? When me I get big and I get too little marble, them time I put all jump from me guys to forget it in. A lot of time I want it from a little bit in and I used to say my out order. Two little jump from my store, you know, them care about your name gonna say you do that, innit? And when I reach 112 and tired for climb the coconut tree now, that's why I stay so. That's why none of them can tell me that, oh, Queenie this, Queenie whole, Queenie man. None of them cannot tell me. It's the way how I grew up. I could be one easy task. Anything on the top of me have to bounce off. That man said, take up the stove, the fire off, the pot off of the stove. And you have to take your two blocks of the pot off of the stove. My father, you have to take the pot. And they all look under me. The pot, yeah? And when the wood fire, the same wood and a coal stove, and it's that gas stove, and it's that personal stove, and electric stove. We have stove, good stove, and I know not about my wood fire stove. And my father said, mind over matter, take off it. And him show you how to do it. He lift it and put it down quick. And then he put it on back. And he say, you lift it off now. And you have to lift it quick, so. That's mind over blood. Yes, you have to do it. Them time of me around 10. You hear that? Me not normal. So I'm hear some people that Queenie this. I am who I am, and I am not going to change to no. If I want to cuss, I cuss. If I want to cry, I cry. If I want to scream, I scream. Because of my emotion, I protect. When I go up in the coconut tree, you have to have a rope where you tie around your waist. Because if you don't know, a coconut tree don't have no limbs. It's just one straight something in it. And you put the little rope around your waist. Like straight, you know. I get one of my stacking and demonstrate. Yeah. And you tie the rope on your waist, so. And you go up in a coconut tree. So when you go up in a tree now, you pull this. And you tie it on the jelly limb, the coconut, the fruit now where you go up there for. You have to tie it in between some of the limb that it not slide off at the end. So you can't slide it at the end because it's at the end where you have to chop off. Listen, you know. And you tie it between there, so. Them time I must run 8 or about 10. I want to know. My father grow like we're a double man. You hear that? I say you tie that now. You see the tail of the rope? Them I go send the cutlass, the Billy, name Billy, the machete. Yeah, the sword now type on this. And you draw it up now after you tie that in here upon the bunch of jelly. That tie now. So you draw up this now, you draw up this and you take off the cutlass. And you let back that down there so now. So see it now, you take the cutlass and you chop this. Yeah, when you chop this on the big branch of jelly. And that's how my father do. Everybody, all them girls put them have a clap tree. We have to go for the goat. Well, the only thing my father never have is big time than you meat. Him than you pork. We put it Israel when a crop time. June, July, when it's wetty when a crab time, we have to go a crab bush. We can't cook crab in our father pot. We have to cook it in a cheese pan. You hear that? Time to name them something there. No, they can't dictate to all blood go through hills and valley underneath the cellar upstairs the moon in the ocean. No, they can't tell me about my life. I'm sitting down and write and make me a class out to the nurse. I don't know, just give me a cup of water to quench my thirst. What do you feel like? Life is a struggle. And struggle never done. Whether you're rich, if you're rich in a blood with other people and them shares. And anyway you take it, any business you're in it have problem. Life is what it is. I see my life, I appreciate every bit of it. The good the bad, the ugly, the muggly, the scuggly, any blood come with me. Me appreciate it. To my daughter that I'm gone, every time I'm talking about Rachel, when they say if me lick you, your mama feel it. If me lick you, your mama feel it. You hear that? Every time I talk about my daughter, I'm just have to balance back myself when my daughter said, Mom, remember you're St. Thomas girl, mommy. You're lucky girl, you're St. Thomas girl. Our vice. Russian, sir, our vice. So when me soon I tear me down and I rejoice over me, I feel the people really don't even know that they're doing me a favor. You lot make me stronger. You saw me so not treat me so, and me so life treat me. Me treat myself to the ice level. Why not think when I can't break me? Why? We're feeling that nobody don't blow themselves from the ear. Me know them from nowhere. Me only know no shares and no dealings and no blood commitment. Me don't know them from no poor. One woman yesterday come tell me about she vexed me because of my husband. What if you vexed me because of fool man? Me no vexed my husband because of you fool. You know love.
Well, I have to put the heaven gate down and every minute it I drop out. So I have to dig the girl, the dark girl. That's still I. This is her. And come right up that now. R.I.P. Roro! R.I.P. I know you're up in heaven. Rest in peace, my first man. You say yes, God, you're blessed. Because you're up in heaven looking down in mommy. Roro! R.I.P. God, but not forgotten, baby girl. The lovely memories of Roro. R.I.P. We all miss you, Roro. Nice video.